This is my honest review for the Shark Stain Striker. I invested in this particular model because of this one tool right here, which is actually called the Pet Mess tool. It is my favorite. We have pets and kids, but this here keeps the debris and dirty water in that little cup on the bottom instead of sending it through your hose. So it keeps your hose nice and clean. But I also do love the ease of the cleaning method of this particular machine. You simply just stick the top into some water, or there's a cover that you cover the top with, and it is called a hose cleaning tool. You pull the trigger, the water or soap or whatever you have goes right through your hose and right into your dirty water container, and it's super easy to empty and keep clean. This here, as you can see, I was cleaning up a pet mess, and all the dirty water is staying in the cup and not going through my hose, which is the number one reason why I love this so much. There's an added filter in there as well, so it definitely does not take any of that yuck through the hose. But this machine is so easy to keep clean. It helps. It's so easy, small, compact. The hose ravels around the bottom along with the cord ravels on the side. There's multiple attachments that come with it. This particular one came with 3 attachments, but as you can see how easy it is to take the attachments off. And then that is the hose cleaning tool right there. So if you are looking for something that is compact, easy to use, easy to keep clean, then I highly recommend this product.